So this is how you can schedule Instagram posts. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Instagram. Today, you will learn how to schedule Instagram posts. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. But first, before I start this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. So, let's get started by opening Instagram. Once you're here, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. You will be put to your recent photos and videos. Now, just simply tap on a photo you want to post and then click on next. Once here, you can edit your photo to make it look better or add music to it and whatever you want to add. Just simply tap on next at the bottom right of the screen once you're done. So this is how you can edit your post. You can write your caption, you can tag people, add music, you can set your location and whatever you want to do. So now all you have to do is just scroll down, tap on advanced settings, and you're supposed to see a schedule post button. But if you don't, then you have to update your Instagram or your phone because that is the only way on how to schedule your post on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.